jetzt was essen.
Erst was essen? Okay.
Ja.
Komm.
Thanks. This is so good. We are in Berlin and we are walking around the Weihnachtenmarkt. It's so beautiful. We are having good time. It's really beautiful. Yeah, you can take mine. Okay. Good morning, my loves. So today, guys, as we know, we are in Berlin and we are going to run some errands, and after that we are going to the shopping center and enjoy around. So yeah, guys, we have traveled, and let me show you the outfit that I'm wearing. This is what I'm wearing. This is a black pullover under, and then I'm wearing this top, and then I'm wearing the leggings, and I'm gonna be wearing a boot. And yeah, that's it, you guys. We are really enjoying our stay in Berlin. As you can see, the houses, you saw the house already, and let me show you what I might be wearing, the shoes that I might wear. These are the shoes. These are the shoes that I might wear. They are here. My Zambas, I can wear them, Adidas. These are the shoes that I'm planning to wear today so that my legs can refresh. Yesterday I was wearing a big boot. So today I just want to relax and my feet. The Weihnachtenmarkt, die genießen. As you can see, this is Weihnachtenmarkt. Behind me there, we are enjoying the moment. It's total tour. So we are going to, and it's my birthday today, guys. Yay! Happy birthday to me. This is wonderful. So today we are enjoying, guys. It's only to Genisen. Look at this stores. People are so happy, excited when it comes to Weihnachtenmarkt, Christmas market, because everyone is. So the woman is offering us something that we don't like. Can you imagine? So when we say you don't want it, she's getting bullied. But anyway, guys, that's it, you know. We have to enjoy. And I'm wearing green for the Christmas to match the Christmas.
Dann möchtest du mit am
We are at the Christmas market, guys. We are enjoying with blue wine. As you can see, this is what I'm drinking. It's so hot and so nice. It's so nice. I want to unbox the iPad with you guys, but I forgot my tripod. I don't know whether I have to wait for tomorrow or not, but I'm gonna be unboxing it today here, and somebody has to be my stand. Which side? The light is not giving because I don't have the yeah, here is better when I'm putting here. The tripod, I forgot it, and then I'm gonna be unboxing the iPad. That's it, you guys. Let's go and enjoy the dinner as we about to go right now. And I don't think I'm gonna be taking with me baby. I'm gonna be taking the phone, and then I'll try to I'm gonna be taking a phone, then I'm gonna be trying to do the video or videos on it, to take some clips. But if I'm not able, guys, sorry, it's not my, you know, when you are busy, carried away and enjoying with other people, it's not easy to film you guys. It's the same when I'm in the malls. When I want to buy some items, it's not easy for me to film. So anyway, this is how I'm looking, you guys. Hello my loves, so welcome. Today is Friday, it's 29 November. It's my birthday, you guys. Those who don't know, celebrate with me my birthday, and I'm gonna be opening the present with you guys that I want to share. The present that my hubby bought it for me, and I bought some things for me that I would love to share, but I forgot my tripod at home because we are not home. We are at Berlin, in the biggest city in Germany, so we are there. So I'm going to come and unbox this with you guys, my iPad with you, but this is the iPad that I want to unbox, guys. So as I'm saying, today is 29. We are going to be meeting some family friends that we're gonna be enjoying with them dinner time, and we're gonna be having fun. It was a great day to be in Berlin, you guys, because yesterday we managed to do some shopping, and we ended up doing some nails for my birthday, and my baby girl did some nails as well. So yeah, that's what I want to say. We did some shopping in H&M, we did some shopping in New York shop, we did some shopping in, I forgot another shop, what is it, not Zara, Zara was not there, it was H&M and New York. We have bought nice things, items. That one of the things that I bought, it is this pullover. As you can see, I'm wearing it under this lovely top here, and this is what I'm wearing, guys. This is the clothes that I wear in the morning, and this is still the clothes that I'm still wearing because they're still okay. It's cold, you know, you have to keep yourself warm. I'm wearing this tight. This is what I'm wearing, and the shoes, and then this top, and I put it on the red lipstick, and the earrings that are new as well. I bought them today. So yeah, this is how I'm looking, guys. I'm looking beautiful for my birthday, and I put a red lipstick just in case to be bright, you know. That's how I'm looking. But you guys, I forgot my tripod at home because we are in Berlin, and I don't know what I'm gonna be using later for me to unbox the iPad with you. But maybe I can ask my daughter to hold the camera for me to unbox it with you guys, because I have to check if the camera, the iPad is charging the same with my phone, my iPhone. So I have to check for me to be able to buy the camera if it's not possible. But I hope for the best that they're gonna charge together, which is going to be easy for me if they charge together. But yeah, that's it, you guys. I am going now. We are heading to the place where we are heading. I'm gonna be taking the phone, and I'm gonna be shooting some clips maybe in the phone if it's a nice place. It depends on my mood. But yeah, that's it, you guys. I'm enjoying my birthday in Berlin. It's a very nice place. It's a very nice city, but it's nice for us for just 2-3 days. Then you are done. You want to go back to your ordinary life where you are living, because here you have to be spending money. Everything is expensive. You have to give the money out. So we want to go back now before our pockets are empty. That, guys, Stay motivated, love God, enjoy. If you are a beloved type of God, if you pray to God, this is something that was in my budget that I've long wanted to have, but now God, I thank God that my hubby managed to buy it for me, which I'm very grateful, guys. This is what I say: be motivated and love God, and follow your dreams. Don't be stopped by anybody. So forget, guys, to like, comment, and subscribe to my beautiful channel, guys. As I'm a growing YouTuber, I'm still a small YouTuber, guys. I want to do those monetization, guys. I need you to watch my videos, guys. View my videos for me to reach the subscription side of monetization. That's all I want to say to you guys, that my videos, guys, I'm not regularly posting, but when I'm posting, I can see there's a very, very big difference, as I'm receiving a lot of views, which I've never expected, because this is my second YouTube that I opened, guys. And yeah, the first one I deleted it, and this is the second one that I'm hoping that I will grow, because I'm growing slowly, which is not a big deal. As long as you can see my videos and watch them, I'm very happy. But anyway, guys, let me prepare myself right now and finish what I'm doing, and we are going out. So you guys, I'm gonna be unboxing this iPad with you guys, because I want to go and buy the charger tomorrow. So let's unbox it together. This is the iPad that I'm gonna be unboxing. Yes, this is my birthday present that my hubby bought it for me, and this is iPad. I'm really excited about it, so I'm gonna be unboxing it together. I've already opened the thing already, so now I'm gonna be opening it. This is the iPad. So we go at the back. It goes like this. Woo! Apfel! And then at the front. Woo! This is the Apfel. The Apfel, baby. The iPad. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys, that I'm unboxing for my birthday. And I've got a lot of birthdays, like the pajamas that I'm wearing right now. These are for my birthday. As you can see, I'm wearing them. They're so comfortable, so become cozy when I'm home, and I'm feeling so warm right now in them. So yeah, guys, you know what? I'm gonna see you in another video. Ciao. You're starting to rebel when I'm already.
Hours later. But don't worry, it's still the same day.
It's for the memories. Hello, Daddy. How do you feel for deinen Frau's Geburtstag?
Ich bin total glücklich, weil meine Frau ist glücklich.
Das ist schön. Und ich auch. Ich bin ganz glücklich von meiner Mutter, wenn meine Mutter zufrieden ist. Und ich wünsche dir alles gut zum Geburtstag. Und ich wünsche dir viele Dinge und viele schöne Dinge deinem lieben Mami. Alles gut zum Geburtstag. Und diese ist die Geburtstag Girl. Say hi.
Fatty fingerprint.
Sag mal hi.
Hi, I'm installing my iPad.
Yeah, she's untouchable. Like, she's not even interested in the camera. Could you imagine? Like, girl.
Good morning, y'all. So guys, today is our last day. We are leaving. As you can see, I'm packing the clothes, and yeah, we are going back home. And this was a lovely stay here in Berlin. Berlin was giving. We managed to do some shopping, And yeah, it was great. I enjoyed my birthday, even if I'm still in the birthday mood. But I have a good day, wonderful day. Yeah, you guys, don't forget to give me a heart for wishing me birthday in the comment section, because it was my birthday, guys. I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. But now I'm packing the clothes. This is all about that I'm packing.